Curry and the supermarkets. History of supermarkets and ethnic groceries. Until the 1990s, supermarkets, which were predominantly focused on catering to mainstream Western tastes, often neglected to include African and Asian groceries in their offerings. As a result, these ethnic foods were not readily accessible to the general public through supermarkets. Introduction of world food aisles. A specific supermarket CEO identified an opportunity to broaden their product range and attract a more diverse customer base. This led to the pioneering introduction of world food aisles, which featured African and Asian foods and groceries, thereby increasing their accessibility to a wider audience. The sections dedicated to world food are becoming increasingly popular as supermarkets expand their product offerings to include items from diverse regions around the globe. 1. Evolution of curry in supermarkets. Initial approach, then supermarkets started focusing on curry. When supermarkets began selling curry, they initially adopted a conservative approach by repackaging existing curry dishes similar to curry houses. These dishes were then made available in chilled or frozen form, requiring customers to cook or reheat them at home. This shift in focus allowed supermarkets to tap into the growing demand for curry, providing customers with convenient options to enjoy their favorite dishes without the need to dine out. The popularity of takeaway meals can be attributed to their relatively lower cost compared to dining in at a curry house, which has significantly impacted the business of Indian curry houses. The small family-owned curry houses were unable to withstand the impact of the fierce competition from large, well-equipped supermarkets. By recognizing the increasing demand for convenient meal options, supermarkets took a proactive approach to meet the needs of their time-strapped customers. They introduced pre-packaged curry meals, which quickly became a popular choice among individuals seeking quick and hassle-free dining solutions. These ready-to-eat curry dishes, available in both chilled and frozen varieties, allowed customers to savor the delightful flavors of their beloved curry recipes whenever they desired, without compromising on the authentic taste or high quality they expected. This strategic move not only expanded the supermarket's range of offerings but also solidified their reputation as a trusted and dependable source for curry. By catering to the busy lifestyles of their clientele, supermarkets successfully position themselves as a go-to destination for convenient and delicious curry meals. Challenges faced. This approach presented several challenges. One of these challenges was the need for preservatives to extend the shelf life of the meals. Another challenge was the inconvenience it caused to customers who were looking for the convenience of ready-to-eat meals. These challenges had to be addressed to improve the overall experience for customers. Comparison to other convenience foods, the customers are ready to pay higher prices for convenience. At supermarkets, boiled eggs are sold at a higher price, whereas the same can be made at home for a lower cost. Following the example of boiled eggs, the chilled or frozen curry options available at supermarkets pose a significant inconvenience, as they require customers to heat or cook them at home, making it impossible to consume them immediately, unlike boiled eggs. 2. The need for innovation. Changing consumer preferences. Due to the ever-evolving preferences and lifestyles of consumers, there has been a noticeable increase in the demand for convenient and ready-to-eat meal options. This shift in consumer behavior has created a need for food choices that are easily accessible and require minimal preparation. Potential for ready-to-consume curry models. Supermarkets can explore innovative ways to cater to customer needs by shifting from traditional curry options to convenient ready-to-eat alternatives, just like pre-packaged sandwiches. This transition presents an opportunity for supermarkets to enhance their offerings and meet the growing demand for quick and easy meal solutions. By adopting a ready-to-consume model, supermarkets can provide customers with a wider range of choices and save them time and effort in meal preparation. This shift can also appeal to busy individuals who are looking for convenient and hassle-free meal options without compromising on taste and quality. It's crucial to take into account the vegan, vegetarian, and plant-based options for the curry, instead of exclusively focusing on the current non-vegetarian choice. Additionally, supermarkets can leverage this trend to attract new customers and differentiate themselves from competitors. By embracing the concept of ready-to-consume meals, supermarkets can tap into a market segment that values convenience and efficiency, ultimately driving growth and profitability. Exploring options. Supermarkets have a wide range of options to consider, including providing a diverse selection of curry flavors, meal combinations, and packaging formats to meet the varied preferences of their customers. 3. Conclusion. Summary of the need for innovation. The evolution of curry in supermarkets highlights the need for innovation to meet the demands of modern consumers. Call to action. CEOs and decision-makers in supermarkets are urged to explore new opportunities and embrace innovation in curry offerings. By taking these steps, they can improve customer satisfaction, boost sales, and sustain competitiveness in the market. This will effectively address the ongoing curry crisis and secure the government's support as well. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.